Hello students, today we will discuss about communication system. Before we enter into communication system, first we know about what is communication. Communication is nothing but the exchanging the information between two peoples or two bodies, etc. It is called communication. Then we come to our communication process or communication system. A communication system means some parameter or some blocks are there through which we are communicate between a transmitter to a receiver or a sender to a receiver. So here are some blocks through which by these blocks we are transmitting our information from to sender to receiver. Then first we will come to information source. Information source. The first will be, it is information source. Information source nothing but the source or the information that we will be want to transmit. Just like our audio signal, video signal, temperature, pressure, anything that we will want to transmit from one point to another, that is called information source. Now I am teaching you, I am delivering some speech. These audio signals is also a information that I will want to send to you, that will be called information source, the information that to be transmitted. Then we will come to our another block is called input transducer. Input transducer means a transducer is a device that will convert the energy to one form to another. Here the input transducer works, that means a information audio signals that I will teach you the anything that information is audio or video, that will be converted to an equivalent electrical signals. Electrical signal means such an example you can take as a microphone. You will see in lots of committee meetings where they use a microphone where a person were trying to say something. That microphones is a input transducer or a transducer will be fitting in the microphone that convert the audio signal or the speech signal to an equivalent electrical signal. That here is the input transducer. Then we come to our third block is called transmitter. Transmitter nothing but the information that will be transmitted suitably from sender to a receiver, that will be the function of transmitter. What will be done in the form of transmitter? Anything that the transmitter is used, nothing but that convert, that send the signal in modulated form. Modulated means just like we are trying to say something, the signal will be not well enough to send or to receive where our friends or anything were present lots of miles away from us, that signal will be not convey or that signal strength is not that much to send the signal from a sender to receiver. In transmitter part there is a modulator, means here is the original signals. It is the original signal or something information that will be converted into signal form is called original signal. In terms of transmitter, what is the transmitter blocks do? There was a carrier signal. Carrier means a random signal, just like that. A random signal was fit, the original signal was fitting in the carrier signal. Just like we know our day-to-day life, if we are order something, we are our e-commerce center, that will be packaging format. Okay, the device or those instrument we are trying to purchase, that will be well covered to their e-commerce website. For the result is that the device or those item we are purchased were in well conditioned mode. So in transmitter mode, the baseband signal were fitting in the random signal. That's why the signal loss was not there. The original signal was not lost there. We will be well enough, or the signal will be in suitable form in the receiving end. That is the function of a transmitter. Then we will come to another block is called channel. Channel is nothing but it is a path. It is a path through which the signal will be transmitted from a transmitter to a receiver. The path. Path means either it is two types. One is wired, another one is wireless. One is wired, another one is wireless. Wired means the signal will be transmitted in form of wired. That means where landline telephone previously that will be wired, that will be landed over the exchange towards the home. That is called wired communication. But today, now life we are using mobile phone that will be connected in wireless format. Wireless format means there will be no wire connected between one mobile to another mobile. That is called wireless channel. Then another block was there, that is called noise. Noise is nothing but an unwanted signal. Unwanted means those signal we are not wanting, or those signal we are not need for us, but the signal will be randomly attempt to our original message signal to destroy it. That is called noise signal. To noise that will be in random nature, that will be enter anywhere in the path of a channel. Sometimes in telephone we are trying to contact with our friends, but sometimes those signal, those message we are trying to convey, this message were returned back to us, or it will be listened to us. That will be called a noise. Though it is a random signal that enter to the channel path, it will be might be destroyed to our original baseband signal. Then we next cover to our receiver section. Receiver section is nothing but the opposite of a transmitter section. Opposite of transmitter section. Likewise in transmitter section, what will be done? This modulation process will be going on. In receiver section, there will be a demodulation process. There will be a demodulation process. Demodulation means those signal were in modulated form, or the carrier signal will be introduced in our baseband signal. In receiving section, we are detach those message signal or our baseband signals to that carrier signal, and we will be catch our original message signal. That is the function of receiver. Then last block is our output transducer. Output transducer, it is the opposite of input transducer. Likewise, it is convert the signal from one form to another form. Just take an example, it is called our loudspeaker. Where loudspeaker is a device or that convert our electrical signal into human audible signals. That is called output transducer. But after that, we will get our original information or original speech signal or audio signal that we will be firstly trying to convert from source to destination. We will be receive here our after output transducer will receive our original signal. Thank you.